Bring it here. I'll open it for you.
Yeah, let's hear.
Thank you.
Here we go. Look at this. What's in there?
I have no idea. Oh. Pull it out. Pull it out. Food for your kitchen and a shopping basket.
Yay!
Yay.
Say thank you. Say thank you.
Yes.
Look at all that. Here, Thatcher, look at this.
What's in that bag?
What's in here?
What's in that bag?
Here.
What's in the bag?
Who is that? Who is that? Who's that right there? Who's that?
It's a dry erase board.
Thatcher, who's that?
Open,
Thatcher,
please,
who's that?
Daddy.
Who's that? Who's that?
You want to open Gobi? Help, please.
You want to say you got to open it?
Yes, Daddy will open it for you. Noni! Yay! Yay, yay, yay!
What do you say, Thatcher? Say thank you, baby.
You are so welcome.
What's in here? Oh my goodness.
You pull paper?
Here.
You pull paper?
Want Gobi to help? Nani? Okay, well, open up your gift, Thatcher. Open it up.
Pull paper. Thatcher, what's in here, bud?
What is that? Oh my gracious! Who is Dima? That's right, Dima. Dima.
Bubble guppies.
Sounds like T-A-M.
Zema, that's
Zema.
Thatcher, who
right.
is that?
You have them all now, little buddy. Look at this.
Whoa.
Oh, that is funny. I mean,
Okay.
it goes along with the thing going on.
Come here.
But it's funny.
Thatcher, you want to pull paper?
Pull. Thatcher, you'll pull this? Please?
Oh, good job.
Open.
Oh my gracious. Who is that? Mr. Grouper. That is so good. Say thank you, Bubby and Zadie. Thank you. Yay. That is so awesome.
Say hi, Mr. Grouper. Merry Christmas. Can you help? Can you tell Mr. Grouper Merry Christmas? No, let's cut the tag.
Are you saving bags?